Are you tired of scrubbing greasy tiles, kitchen tops, or stubborn stains for hours at your home? Welcome back to my channel Explore with Shivangi. It's a channel where I share home hacks, gadgets, and lifestyle tips that can make your life easier. And if you are new to this channel, do subscribe to this channel and also press the bell icon so that you can get the notifications of this channel. So this magic tool is a steam cleaner that can clean all stubborn stains and greasy tiles, bathroom tiles, or all your dull appliances and even the stubborn stains. And moreover, it will not use any type of chemical. No toxic sprays are used for this steam cleaner. So stay tuned to this video, because by end of this video you will get to know how I will clean all dull tiles, all appliances and kitchen top by this useful steam cleaner. So now I will show you this steam cleaner and its attachment, how to use it. So this is a container of this steam cleaner. So we need to open this and you will add water, only water, no other chemicals, no sprays to this section, and then close it. Here it has a long wire so that you can plug in. This is a pipe that is attached to this container, and this is the nozzle by which you can spray steam on any stain or any tile that is greasy or with some stubborn stains. Here it has a button that you will press when you need steam. So this is the button that you need to press. Okay. And this is the nozzle. It has different attachments. If you want to clean any tile with this brush, you can attach it. If you want to make it use on any hard surface, so this is a brush that is with metal. And this is to use any corner, you can clean it with this attachment. Here we have this attachment. It is to clean all glass doors so that you can wipe it. You will spray it from this side. You will press the button and then you can wipe it. So now I will show you the demo in kitchen, bathroom, as well as glass doors as well, so that you can get to know that this device is really very useful for home cleaning.
Adding water to this container by the help of this funnel, and after this close it tightly. After adding water, close it tightly and switch it on. Now you can see red light. Wait till it turns to white light. and switch it off once it turns to white light.
So this was a demo of this steam cleaner that is useful to clean home appliances, that is to use kitchen top, kitchen chimney, bathroom tiles and all furniture of your home. So it's really of good use. It saves time, energy and efforts. I hope you will also like this product. If you like this video, give a thumbs up on this video. Do subscribe to this channel so that you can get all videos on time, and also press the bell icon to get the notification of all the videos and updates. Thank you for watching Explore with Shivangi. Bye bye.